the EU Commission has proposed progressive start of the delayed biometric border control system. In this video, we talk about the new plan to implement the Entry-Exit System, or EIS.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell, to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you, and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance.
The European Commission has proposed a gradual rollout of the EU's long-delayed biometric entry-exit system starting in 2025. Initially set to launch on November 10, 2024, the system was postponed after France, Germany, and the Netherlands cited technological readiness issues. Under the new plan, entry-exit system operations will begin progressively over 6 months, with member states initially registering at least 10% of third-country nationals' border crossings. Full implementation across all EU borders is expected by the end of this period. During the transition, data will be electronically recorded only at borders equipped with an entry-exit system, while passport stamping will continue elsewhere. Member states ready to operate entry-exit system fully from the start will have the option to do so. The approach provides flexibility for countries to refine border procedures, manage traveler flows, and prepare their infrastructure. Travelers will gradually experience faster, automated border checks, while border authorities and transport operators adjust to the new processes. Provisions include temporary suspension of the system to address disruptions or excessive wait times. Once adopted, the European Commission will set the launch date after confirming member states' readiness. A public information campaign will precede the rollout. The entry-exit system will replace passport stamping for non-EU citizens by digitally recording personal and biometric data, including fingerprints and facial images, along with entry and exit details. What are your thoughts on the phased implementation of the entry-exit system? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.